All right, good day, viewers. I remember my humble self again, Otemu Ogenenyero, teaching on YouTube. I encourage you, if you haven't subscribed, to subscribe my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. I just said with one graph, quadratic graph of a year, particular Y question in a particular year. Now, this is question number 7, 2021. Copy and complete the table of value for the relation y is equal to 2x squared minus x minus 2 for minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. And the table, you look at the table from minus 4 to plus 4. Minus 3 is 19, 0 is minus 2, 4 is 26, and we are asked to copy and complete the table. We are using a scale of 2 cm to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 cm to 5 units on the y-axis, and we are asked to draw the graph of this. Now, then on the same axis, we are asked to draw the graph of y is equal to 2x squared plus 3. They're using the graph to find the root of the equation. That's the combination of these two tables, which is now 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. It's a combination of these two graphs. These two, this and this, which is this one here. Then we should also find the range of the value of x, for which this is now less than 0. Now, the first thing is to copy and complete the table. Is to copy and complete the what? The table. Now, when you want to copy and complete the table, write the question first. Y is equals to 2x squared minus x minus 2. So x is given to minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, the first thing there is 2x squared. The second thing there is minus x. The second thing there is minus x. And the third thing there is minus 2. So the same way, I will square minus 4. Minus 4 square gives us 16. 16 times 2 gives us 32. Then minus 3 square is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Minus 2 square is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Here is 2. Here is 0. 1 square is 1 times 2 is 2. 2 square is 4 times 2 is 8. 3 square is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Here is 32. So minus times minus 4 give us plus 4. So this minus will change all the negative to positive. Then the positive to negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4. And this is a constant number minus 2. So you add the minus 2 across the expression. Okay? We are now looking for the value of y. We are now looking for the value of y. Now, (32) plus 4 minus 2 only give us 34. Okay? Now 18 plus 3 minus 2 give us 19. Look at it here. Yes, 19. Now, 2 minus 2 is 0. So yes, 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. So yes, 1. Minus 2. 2 minus 3 give us minus 1. 8 minus 4 give us 4. Here is 5. 18 minus 5 give us 13. Here is 32 minus 6 give us 26. Give us 26. And those are the values we have here. So now our duty is to plot the graph. We are going to use this table now to plot the graph. Okay, now we are taking the scale that on the x-axis, look at my x here, and look at my y here. Here is minus x, this down is minus y, and this is 0 point. So 2 centimeters represent 1 unit on the x-axis. This I will start 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here is 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Here is minus 5. So let me stop at minus 10. Let me stop at minus 10. So when x is minus 4, y is 34. Look at minus 4. The same thing, we're cutting 2 boxes. Take note. So this is 30, 35. So this box is 34. When x is minus 3, y is 19. Here is 20. So here is 19. When x is minus 2, y is 8. Here is minus 2. Here is 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is 8. But yes, now here is 10. When x is minus 1, y is 1. Here is your 1. When x is 0, y is minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. When x is 1, y is minus 1. Minus 1, okay? Let me take the 1 and put it up here. Here is minus 1. Let's put the 1 here. When x is 2, y is 4. Look at 4 here. Now, when x is 3, y is 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. When x is 4, y is 26. Go to 26. Here's 25. Here is 26. So we can now plot the graph. We can now plot the graph. Okay, this is the graph. That is the graph. If you look at the question that also follows, which is C. C is telling us that this is B. What is C telling us? That we should plot a table of value for y is equal to 2x plus 3. Plot a table of value for y is equal to 2x plus 3. Now, I want to take just a simple 2 points. Now, x, I will take minus 4, 0, and plus 4. I will take only these 3 points. So here is 2x, here is plus 3, and here is y. Now, 2 times minus 4 minus 8, 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 4 gives us 8. Here is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. You were owing me minus 8. You have 3 naira, so yes, minus 5. Here is 3. 8, here is 11. So we can now plot the graph again on the same graph. Now, because this one we have plotted now is for y is equal to 2x squared minus x minus 2. Now, let's plot now. When x is minus 4, y is minus 5. When x is minus 4, y is minus 5. Look at minus 4. Look at minus 5. Or plot there. When x is 0, y is 3. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. I will plot, mark another place there. When x is 4, y is 11. 10, 11. So this is straight line what? Graph. This is straight line graph. Now, I will now draw a straight line from here. Okay. Oh my God, my ruler is short. Okay, but you can still get it. You get it correctly. Alright, this is the graph of y is equals to 2x plus 3. Now, let's solve the questions that follow. What are the questions that follow? It says that we should find the root of the equation of 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. I told you the combination of these two tables. And look at it, where the curve and the same line meet the curve, so we take, it meets it here. So I will draw it to x. Look at it. I'll draw it to x. Look at that place. The minus 1. It meets it here. I will draw it to x again. That's the root of the equation. Now, we'll talk about c. Let me clean the up of the table to answer it. That is c, d1. So to get the root of the equation now, of y is equals to 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 is now, look at it here, here is 2.1, 2.3, 4.5. So x is equal to 2.5 and then when you come here it's minus 1. So let us get now the range or the value, the range of this graph. The range of the first graph. The other one is not inclusive. But where does it touch the graph? It touches it here. And it touches it here. So what is here? Here is, look at the line, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So the range is 1.3. And what is here? 0 minus 0. Okay, no, it's not minus, it's 0. 0.1, 0.2. Okay, minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.3, minus 0.4, minus 0.5, minus 0.3, minus 0.7. Minus 0.7. So our x is there. It's less than or equal to 1.3 and greater than or equal to minus 0.7. So I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. I told you we mark plus or minus 0.1. The actual answer here is 2.4. Is 2.4 and here is minus 1. So if you have 2.5 as I got now is correct, 2.3 is correct, minus 1.1 is correct, minus 2.9 is correct. Yes, the correct one is 1.3. You have 1.4 is correct, 1.2 is correct. The correct answer here is 0.8. While 0.7 correct, 0.9 is correct. So I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. God bless you.